Hello everybody, this is training for the new Firetrex training and events calendar. We have a new calendar built into Firetrex that you'll be seeing. It looks similar to this, so when you log in, first thing you're going to get is a color-coded calendar. So some of the questions that we're predicting are, so who controls this calendar? The answer is the battalion chiefs. Captains, training, and some administration personnel will have the ability to input and edit events in the calendar for everybody to see. However, BCs will need to monitor the events to help manage the daily shifts. Any person that needs to put something on but doesn't have the authority will have to have their officer input the event for them. What goes on to the calendar? Training events, public education events, meetings, general notification, or other events. These are the event types to choose from when inputting new events. This is basically intended to be used as a color coding for visual appearance for the end user to quickly look at the calendar and determine what's going on. How do you add an event to the calendar? First of all, what you're going to do is get your mouse, there's mine, and we're going to double click on the day, so Monday the 9th, double click, and it's going to open this window for creating a new calendar. So I'm just going to create a fictitious event in here. So when you create the event title, you want it to be something short. So recruit training. The reason you want it to be short is, for example, over here on the station visits, if you make it short, it'll all show up on one strip, like officer development down here. You don't want it to fold over and have the words cut off. So make the first event title relatively short. In the descriptions, that's where you can put much more information. So you can put up to 200 characters in here, and you can type a list in there. So the event title is meant to get the person's attention, so they click on this and they can read the description. Then you select event type, and here you're going to get a selection on this pick list on what you can put down there. So when you select assigned training, and that would be any training that's assigned by the training division, battalion chiefs, training chief, ops chief, or special operations groups will come in as assigned training, and it's going to show up red on this color over here. So and then meetings will be different color, notifications, public ed, and then undetermined will be something else. So if you have an event that doesn't meet one of these, it's obviously going to be undetermined. So I'm going to put assigned training here. The event time, we're going to start at 1300, and then on location there's a pick list that comes down, and we're going to train at Station 5. So we default there, and then event units. And I'm just going to type in the recruit rig, which is engine 16. We'll type in engine 16 and we'll post the event. So you can see now we have the training here. The day that something's on, the background of the day is actually changed color, so you can see that something's been scheduled on that day. So when a recruit or a captain that's dealing with a recruit sees this, or even a firefighter that may be coming in to work with them, they can click on this, they can see the information, and you can put in up to 200 characters, who's involved, what's going on, any kind of details in here that you would necessarily want to have in that block, and that's ready to go for the calendar. Right now, only the person that inputs the training information can edit the training. We're working on getting that changed. But if you want to change it, say you made a mistake, like I want to capitalize this T, or I put in the wrong time, I actually want to start at 0900 instead of 1300. I click on that, select the edit button, it takes me back to this window, and I can put in 0900 and I can save the update. Okay, let's say something's changed. The battalion chief has called, and they have a battalion drill scheduled, and that we're going to need to cancel the training for the day or move it to a different shift. So you can come back here, you can select edit again, and I can just delete the whole event right here. I can change the day or the time. I can't change the day. I have to actually delete it and put it on a different shift. But I'm just going to delete this one, and we're going to get rid of it. So, and of course, it always asks you, do you really want to delete it? Yes, I want to delete it. And now, on the 9th, C shift is gone. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. If you can have the rights to do this, you can start putting stuff on now and have it all taken care of. Thanks.